Greenwood Furnace to Bald Eagle State Park, Day 3. Today is definitely the hardest day on this tour. We're only pedaling 45 3/4 miles. Not far for us, but the first 10 miles have a bunch of rollers that will test your legs. Then from mile 10 to mile 12.5, you're pedaling up a grade that will elevate your heart rate to the max. It took us close to an hour to make this climb in the mist and the light rain. The elevation change is enough that the weather was distinctly different on either side of the mountain. I started off the morning with fried eggs and bacon that I put between 2 pieces of flatbread to make a wonderful morning sandwich. Right after we left camp, we ran into
Greenwood Furnace.
Heavy fog.
Greenwood Furnace headed to Bald Eagle.
Yep.
Greenwood Furnace then. Oh.
Huh?
I'm just talking to myself.
Oh.
Just talking.
As we go back through McAlagy's Fort, you can see by the signs that we have on our front lights flashing, lighting up the signs, and our back lights are also on.
Oh, clear.
I didn't shoot any video on the steep climb, but we were wet underneath because of sweat and wet on the outside because of the mist and light rain. Here we are at the top, stopped. Going down on the other side, you can barely read the road signs through the fog.
Car back.
Here we are on the flats headed into State College, and while there's still water on the GoPro lens, the weather has improved significantly. Through State College and out on the airport road, headed towards Bellefonte. I love downhills, and now we're flying on down to Bellefonte.
too bad that didn't.
We came in right behind the park and the historic train station in Bellefonte. We stopped at Bonfanto's to dry out and eat lunch. Pedaling through Milesburg, we want to stop at Snappy's to pick up a few supplies before we head on over to Bald Eagle State Park. But the traffic really picks up.
Wow, it's a traffic jam. What in the world? What broke loose there?
Here we are on a back road from Milesburg over to Curtin Village, a historical site where iron ore used to be produced. Beautiful cycling road with very light traffic. I'm always riding behind Bill and Steve, trying to keep somebody in the video. Here, I'm going ahead. I'm going to try to get ahead of Bill and Steve and then turn around and catch them making the corner down into Bald Eagle State Park. And here they come. Steve's picking up the camping form we need to fill out to stay the night, and we're hoping to get site number 8, our favorite site. Steve and I are going to take the long way around, and Bill cuts through, uses the shortcut to site number 8.
Oh, wonderful.
I'm going to sneak through, see what it looks like.
All right. Looks like we're okay. Nothing in our box and a thing down there. Yeah, we're good. We've been here so many times.
It's like home.
It is home.
Our campsite at Bald Eagle State Park. Bill took a photo of my tent as the sun set behind us to the west. Day 4, Greenwood Furnace to Bald Eagle State Park. As you can see, the distance to my home is 31.5 miles. The elevation slightly increases as we head back. We are in a dense fog advisory as the morning breaks, and Steve is taking down his tent. We're all riding with every light we have on so the traffic can see us, and the rest of the ride is really unremarkable. We ride about halfway in this fog.